Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the weekly chart of Census Healthcare. Now if you are looking at this chart, this stock after all the volatility has indeed proved that it has a strong trend and the momentum is here to stay. So the levels that we are going to look at will be something like this. So let me show it to you. So this is how the chart looks like, and as you can clearly see, the chart has already divided the overall trend into two parts. So the levels which are important for us will be in between 3.63 and 3.33. So 3.33, 3.47 and 3.63, these are all important levels that you need to look at. And if you are looking at the structure or the trend, so if the stock continues to sustain above 3.63, the overall trend is going to be positive and the probability is it will move further on the upside, right? So the thing is, you have your stop loss at 3.33, so don't go below this level. Now the stock has already crossed major of the important levels here. So what we have as far as the trend is concerned, now as you can see, the stock surpasses all the important levels. So you have 4.6 as your immediate support, then you will have your next support at 4.1. So because the stock has already surpassed all these levels, we only have the uptrend which is left for us, because as I told you, slowly but steadily the stock has surpassed all the important hurdles. So the first target or the initial target that we are going to look at will be $5. Beyond $5, what we have here is 5.38. Beyond 5.38, we have a next range which will be in between 6.29 and 6.66. Further, if the stock moves beyond 6.66, we have so beyond 6.66 we have 7.74. Now by that we are very close to the higher end of the range. Now the probability is very high that the stock will definitely retest its 2018-19 highs. So the big levels that we are looking at here will be in between 8.94 and 9.26. Now although this is we can't go beyond 9.26 because of the data limitations, but if there is a further breakout beyond 9.26, in that case we can actually go for some conditional targets. Okay, so this is completely conditional, and let us just consider it does not exist and will only have its relevance if the stock moves beyond $10 and sustain above that. In case if the stock started trading above $10 and sustain above that, then we will have a big swing which will be in between $18 and $22. Okay, but as I told you, this let us just think this does not exist, because the current level we have here is in between $3 and 9.26 or $10. If there is a breakout, then only we will go for this one, else right now we are not thinking or talking about that. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.